Hello everyone, welcome back again. A great profitable project at the present time. So friends, welcome back my YouTube channel, Very Technical Hasib. So friends, today I will review and uh, great discuss about the great project, the digital project. So friends, look at this digital project. So friends, this project is very promising and interesting project. This project, all links in my video description. Please check my video description. So friends, today I will review how to your buy their pre-sale, how to join your pre-sale and buy their token. Obviously, so friends, very cheap price at the present time their token. So friends, look at this, how to buy their token, DTM token. Obviously, at the present time their token very cheap price. So friends, click go to pre-sale page and you are now a digital pre-sale page. Our second pre-sale is going, their second pre-sale is ongoing, fast pre-sale running out. So friends, look at this, buy their pre-sale, buy their token at the present time very low price. So friends, don't waste another minute, get you token now, tokens now. So friends, very fast join their pre-sale and buy their DTM token. So friends, look at this, you are buy their token and airdrop bonus, you are airdrop bonus. So friends, look at this, there another great opportunity to earn their token. So friends, look at this, ICO learner 0 to 2000 BNB and FUD destroyers 2000 to 4000 BNB. So friends, bullish power 4000 to 6000. So friends, look at the look at this, you are buy their token mm, 0 to 2000 BNB and your profit 5% bonus, and by 2000 to 4000 BNB, plus 7% bonus, and 4000 to 6000 BNB by that DTM token and your profit 10% bonus. So friends, this is a great opportunity to earn their token bonus in airdrop by their token. So friends, look at this, their buy digital token pre-sale is ongoing 12 days, 12 days remaining. Look at this, the total sold 12.83% their token sold. So friends, look at this, their price, token price, 1 BNB is equal and 1600 DTM. So friends, look at this, made a contribution 0.2 BNB, and look at this max contribution 50 BNB. So friends, look at this, earn a little bonus. You are obviously how to earn a little bonus. Obviously read this and know about something there, how to earn a little bonus. So friends, obviously you are connect your MetaMask and look at this, obviously note, obviously read it. Obviously, when you are buy the token, obviously connect your MetaMask, and how to buy on Android, you are obviously read it. Sorry, how to buy their token Android phone. So friends, obviously read it. So friends, look at this Android MetaMask. Obviously you are watch it, and obviously look at this, they are make a very good video. Obviously you will watch it and how to buy their token using MetaMask. So friends, obviously you will watch it. So friends, look at this, you how to you are connect your MetaMask and buy their token. Obviously read it. Look at this, one by one you are read it, and obviously you are buy that DTM token a very cheap price. So friends, obviously I hope another good feature, Android Trust Wallet, how to you connect and buy their token. Obviously you are right now another video how to connect to Trust Wallet and buy their token, and obviously they are introduce how to connect their trust wallet and buy their token. So friends, look at this, they are all things about know something. They are all important question. You are how to digital different from another project. Look at this, another project, and how many digital token are there, how, and look at this, our rewarding private by pre-sale investors. So friends, there are common question. So friends, there are some common questions. Obviously, you are read it and know something their project and know something their DTM token. Obviously, friends, you are obviously buy that token. 12 days remaining. And look at this, their pre-sale. Second pre-sale is running. This is the last pre-sale, and this is the very cheap price at the present time. Obviously, friends, you are connect their MetaMask and Trust Wallet for join their pre-sale ongoing, join their pre-sale round 2. Obviously buy their token very low price. So friends, I hope in future very great profit when their DTM token listing very good exchanger site. So friends, obviously I hope very great profit. So friends, this is one of the best project right now. So friends, very legit and powerful project. I hope you are join there, join here. So friends, this is this project, all links in my video description. Please check my video description and join all social media link and know about something very fast their token and their project. So friends, I hope were very good profit generate future to this platform and TTM token when the TTM token listing very good exchanger site. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.